discuss about on delay timer. So the on delay timer is an output instruction timer. It is used to activate or deactivate a device after a preset value of time. So before entering into the topic, we have to know what is timer. So timer is a device which is used to delay a certain period of time. So it is used in the industrial purpose for different application to maintain a delay period for input devices. So timer is an output instruction device. So here the timer is classified into three types. So first is on delay timer, and second one is off delay timer, and third one is retention timer. So here the first two timers, that is the on delay timer and off delay timer, is also known as non-retentive timer. Non-retentive timer. So the main difference between the non-retentive and retentive timer is it will not reset the timing value. It will reset the non-retentive timer and retentive timer is the non-retentive timer will reset the value when the power supply is removed from the device, and the non-retentive timer will not reset the value after the power supply is removed from the device. So first today we are going to see about on delay timer. So on delay timer. So first we have to know about the timer instructions and the control words used in the on delay timer. Timer on delay. So second one is timer. Third one is timer base. Preset value, and last one is accumulator value. And the control words are enable bit, done bit, and timer time bit. Enable bit, done bit, and timer time bit. So first we are going to see about timer. So in industrial purpose, we are using n numbers of timers. So for to mention a particular timer, so we have to give a name for each timer. So here in the timer place we have to type timer T4 is to 0. It may be n number. So we are using T4 is to 0 as a timer name. So next second one is timer base. So timer base here we are using 1. So it may be 1 or 0.1. So this is used based upon the application of the timer. So next one is preset value. So preset value is the given value by the users based upon the application to delay a time period. So here we are using 15 seconds as a delay time. So next accumulated value. So accumulated value is nothing but it will increase the value for each and every second. So when the accumulated value will get stopped means when the accumulated value is equal to the preset value, so the accumulated value counting will be get stopped. So here first initially we have to enter accumulated value as 0. So these are the timer instructions. Next we are moving to control words of timer. Control words of timer. Here three control words are used. So first one is enabled. So first one is enabled bit. Second one is done bit. Third one is timer timing bit. So what is enabled bit? So this enabled bit will get energized when the timer instruction is true, the enable bit is true, and when the timer instruction is false, the enable bit is also get false. So next the done bit. So whenever the done bit is get activated means when the accumulated value and the preset value get equals, the done bit will be get activated. So next the timer timing bit. So timer timing bit value is true when the accumulated value counting the seconds, and when it is false, accumulated value is get stop counting the value. So these are the control words and the timer instructions used in the on delay timer. So main important point is TON. So it denotes the on delay timer. So for off delay timer we are using TOF. So it denotes that this is an off delay timer. So with the help of a smart program, you can clearly know about the working of this on delay timer. So on delay timer on delay. Next timer base preset value accumulated value. So here next enable bit. Next one another one controller is done bit. This is a simple program. So in this PLC program, so this vertical line is called as ladder. So this vertical line is called as ladder, and this horizontal line is called as rungs, and this horizontal line is called as rungs. So in every program there is two ladders and n numbers of rungs based on the application of the program. So in each and every runs contain n numbers of input device and ended with a single output devices. So we can add n numbers of input devices in the each and every runs, and it should be ended with one single output devices. So it may be a branch or connected in a series. So in the left side of the ladder, so we have it is mentioned as, so the right side is mentioned as L1 and it is mentioned as L2. The left side of the ladder we use the output devices connected in the program, and the right side we are drawing the input devices connected in the program. So here we are using three output devices. So three output devices are pivot lamp. So it is used in the indication purpose. The symbols of this lamp should be in this form. So here we are using red lamp, green lamp and yellow lamp. Some of the output devices are, so a pivot lamp, horn, solenoid valve, these are the alarm. So these are the examples for output devices, and for input devices we are using switches and sensors are comes under the input devices. So switches means limit switch, limit switch, pressure switch, temperature switch. These are the switches are the example for input devices. So it should be maintained in right side of the ladder. So here using only limit switch. So its notation is denoted as this. So we have to maintain. We have to write the address of the each and every input and output devices. So here for understanding purpose I am giving output A. So next here output B, then output same address should be written here also. For what purpose? How the information is transferred from here to here. For that purpose, we are using this address. So output A, output B, and output C. Okay. So next here using only limit switch. So LS1. So here mentioned as LS1. So for here is we are easy purpose we are mentioning input D. So input D. So LS means limit switch. So okay. Timer timing bit. So moving to this program. So when the switch is closed, so that means when the switch is closed, what will happen? Automatically the timer will get input power supply. So the timer will start timing. So from the name you can easily understand on delay timer. So after the power, when the power supply is reaching the timer will start counting. Okay. So what will happen for an on delay timer? When the power supply is reached, automatically the timer will start timing its value. Okay, so here we are using T4 is to 0 as the timer address, and timer base we are using 1, and accumulated value we are using 50 as the accumulated value, and preset value, and accumulated value we are using entered as a 0. Okay, so when the power supply is get in the timer, so what will happen? The accumulated value starts timing. Okay, so what will happen for each and every second? The accumulated value will increase its value from 1, 2, 3, like that. So when it will get stop counting the value up to when it will reach the preset value. Okay, so up to the preset value, it will what will happen? It will start timing. So when it will reaches the 50 value, so what will happen? The accumulated value and preset value gets equal. So that time their time bit will be activated. So here we already discussed in the control boards. So the enable bit will when will the enable bit will be true? So when the timer instruction is true, the enable bit is get true. Correct? So what will happen? So when the timer is when the switch LS1 is get closed, the timer will get energized. Correct? So at the energized, the enable bit is also get energized. So that time what will happen? This enable bit will give instruction to that the input devices we are connected. So that will happen, the information will be carried from this enable bit to here. So at that time what will happen? Here already the switches what we are using is closed, open switch. So that will what will happen? The closed switch will get, so open switch will get closed, and here also we are using the enable bit address. So here also the open switch we are using. So what will happen? This open switch also get closed. So what will happen that time? So power supply will be get passed, and the red light and the green light will be turned on. So red light and the green light will be turned on. So when will this yellow light will turn on? Turn on means when the done bit is activated. Why means we are using the done, we are giving the address of the done bit here. So what will happen when the done bit is get activated? So here the yellow light is turned on. So already we know that when will the done bit will be get activated? So when the preset value and accumulated value get equals, the done bit is get activated. So when the accumulated value counts 1 for every seconds, and when we reach after the 50 seconds of delay period, what will happen? Done bit is activated. So the done bit will give information to that input device of the runs, and then what will happen is automatically this open switches get closed, and this yellow light is turned on. So okay, so this is a basic simple program for understanding of on delay timer.